Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my haul from Black Friday. And actually, I didn't go shopping on Black Friday. I went shopping with my sister the day after on Saturday. So technically this is a Black Saturday haul, but it was still the Black Friday sales from the stores because they ended on Saturday night. So Black Friday haul. So the first store that we went to was Ulta. And I haven't done an Ulta haul on my channel in a really long time, but we are back again. And I got so many things that I've been wanting to get from Ulta for so long, but I never gave in and got it because it was just too expensive. But now everything's on sale. So the first thing I got, which I'm very, very happy about, is the Curlsmith Strength Recipe Bond Curl Rehab Solve. And it's a bond treatment for weak, damaged hair. Me. And it contains pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, and guava and kale. And it's vegan, no sulfates, no silicones, cruelty-free, no parabens, no mineral oils. I don't know how to pronounce that word. Phthalates? No phthalates. If that's how you pronounce those, there's none of those. And it says that it's blended with superfoods that makes your hair strong and elastic. And I've been seeing so many people using the Curlsmith hair products, so I just had to try it. I have another hair product that will be from a different store that is similar to Curlsmith with the bond building. The next thing I got, I haven't had this brand of body wash in a long time, but the last time I got this, I loved it so much. It smells so good. It's the Bliss Lemon and Sage Soapy Suds body wash. And this body wash is my favorite body wash ever. And I don't know why I never went back to Ulta and got it after that first time I used it. But it's probably because it was expensive, but Black Friday. So add that on to my self-care and hygiene video that I just posted. Definitely try the Bliss shower products. And then next, I didn't buy these. These are free at the checkout at Ulta. They always give you those free gifts. What is this? Oh, it's a makeup remover. It said brightening cleanser. I thought it was teeth whitener. Then next, there's like 4 different mascaras on sale for $10. But I got the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. And comment below if you guys want me to do a makeup tutorial using all of the Black Friday makeup products that I got. Because sadly, I already have mascara on. I already have the Maybelline Sky High mascara on. So it's not really gonna mix well with the It Cosmetics, especially because it's waterproof. Then next I got this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. And I'm pretty sure it's the same as the one I already have, but I definitely needed a new one, as you guys can see. And I think everything else is gonna be makeup. So then I got the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. And I got this because my makeup tends to get really shiny. And this is infused with kaolin, clay, and white charcoal. And it says, this mattifying skin protecting, no, that's not what it says. It says this mattifying skin perfecting putty primer has a velvety texture that glides effortlessly over the skin, smoothing over imperfections. The result, a smooth, poreless, shine-free matte complexion. Definitely what I need. And then, as I've been saying in my live streams when I'm doing my makeup live, I really don't know how to do eyebrows that well. I just like darken them and fill out anything that's like patchy. But I got this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. Maybe this will help me learn a little bit more about eyebrows. And the next 5 makeup products were all 5 for $5 in the Black Friday sale section in the front. So the first 2 things are these lip oils. The colors are just red and pink. They're literally just called red lip oil and pink lip oil. And I've never tried a lip oil before. I wonder if I'll like it, but I probably will. I like really like any makeup product. And then the next thing that was in the 5 for 5 was this black eyeliner pencil, and it comes with the little sharpener at the end. And then the last 2 things were these lip glosses, and there's like a brown one with the gold shimmer and then the pink one with the light pink shimmer. And then the next thing I got was this e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow in Pinky Swear. Pinky Swear. And it says, get an amped up eye look with one swipe glitter coverage. And then the next 2 things were these Milani lip liners. And it says, long wearing, easy glide formula to line and fill. And then this color is 12 Bordeaux. Wow, it's coming up very pink on camera. That's crazy. It's like a dark purple in real life. I don't know why it looks like hot pink on the camera. It's literally like very, very dark muted plum. And in the camera, it looks like it's like a crayon. That is insane. Yeah, and this one looks pink too, but it's not. They're really not pink in real life. See, this one is in the shade Nude, but it looks like it's in the shade Pinky Promise. Maybe if I turn this light down. Oh yeah, now it's still a little bit more pink than it is in real life, but it's looking more like the true colors. The next thing is this Bare Minerals Lip Gloss Balm in the shade Trust. And let me actually open it so you guys can actually see. This packaging is just so beautiful. I'm excited. I just like to look at this. Like, half the time I buy hair and makeup products just for the package, even though I shouldn't do that, but it's just so pretty. It's just like so aesthetically pleasing to look at. Oh wait, I forgot another thing I got from Ulta that I've already been using, so I forgot that I got it. But next is the Ulta Beauty Oh My Glow Cream Bronzer. And then the thing that I've already been using is these Goli Nutrition Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies. And I've been seeing these online for like 2 years. And I always wanted to try them. And they have a pretty strong taste, but definitely not as strong as real apple cider vinegar. I tried to take apple cider vinegar many times in the past, and if you've ever tried to do apple cider vinegar, even if it's diluted, it just tastes so bad. But these have 15 calories per gummy, 4 grams of carbs, 1 gram sugar, 50% dietary value of folic acid, 50% dietary value of vitamin B12, and 500 milligrams of apple cider vinegar. They're gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and unfiltered. And if you guys have ever tried these, let me know what you think of them. Are they worth it? Are they a placebo effect? I don't know if I've had any significant difference of taking them for 3 days straight, but I like the placebo part. And then the last thing I got from Ulta is this Pixar themed Ulta Beauty makeup brush set. So it's Finding Nemo, so it has like the little water droplets on the brushes. And the brushes are just so pretty. And then the next store I went to was Sephora. I only got 2 things. And the 2 things I got were, again, I got the Olaplex number 3, the original hair perfector, and it's to repair and strengthen all hair types. And I have made a video a couple months ago of me doing the Olaplex treatment on my hair with this number 3. And I really like the results that I got from using Olaplex. So I would definitely recommend it, even though it can be pretty expensive when it's not on sale. I think this is like $28. And the instructions say, use before shampooing. This is not a conditioner. It's a bond builder. Use once a week for damaged hair and 2 to 3 times per week. That's not what it says. Use once a week. For damaged hair, use 2 to 3 times a week. Commas. And then it says, apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. When I put it on, I left it on for like hours. I don't know if that's acceptable, but it says you can leave it on longer if you want. And then it says, rinse from hair for best results, shampoo with Olaplex number 4 and condition with Olaplex number 5. And the next thing I got was an Olaplex product that I've never used before, but it's the Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. And it moisturizes, smooths, and adds body and shine, and it's for all hair types. And it says, apply to clean, damp hair mid-length to ends. Use sparingly on the roots. Work through with fingers. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse fully and style as usual. Use weekly for best results. Start with 2 pumps for shoulder length hair. Use more for longer, thicker hair. Less for fine or short hair. So yeah, I'm just really excited because I just love hair masks and I love trying new hair masks. And I already love the Olaplex number 3. So I'm guessing that I'm gonna really like the 8. And guys, comment below if you want me to make a natural hair routine video of me using both these products. And if you wonder if I hate you, I do. And then the next store I went to was Marshall's, of course. And I only got 2 things from Marshall's that weren't even very Black Friday-y. Usually on Black Friday, I would get like a TV, a camera, a laptop, a Bluetooth speaker. But this time it was more hair and beauty and home decor kind of stuff. I don't know what happened to me this Black Friday, but I wasn't in the mix this Black Friday. Oh, they wrapped this very pretty. I just love this so much. This is just the cutest thing ever. So I just got this Hello Kitty mug, and I love this little part. But yes, I got this huge Hello Kitty mug to spark joy. And then I got this notebook because every time I go in Marshall's, I just have to get a notebook. And then every page just says notes and to-dos. And yeah, I just love this because I love light blue and gold and pink. It's just all my colors. And then the final item was perfume from Victoria's Secret that was on sale for like $20 off. And I wish that there was like 40. Is that what 40 is? Scratch and sniff? I wish 40 existed and you guys could smell this perfume. But you guys might just have to travel to your local Victoria's Secret and smell what this smells like. But me and my sister, we literally had so many perfume tester sampler card things, and then I was pretending to deal them out on the table. I was like we were like using like every single tester, and somehow the employees did not get annoyed at all. And also it was hilarious because I was making YouTube shorts in every store. Like I was filming what I was getting, and then one employee in Victoria's Secret saw me doing that, and then she goes, Snapchat away. I'm like, it's a YouTube short, not Snapchat. I actually do have a Snapchat for my channel, but I haven't even opened it in like a very long time. So if you guys have tried to talk to me on that, I apologize. But if you guys want to reach me, oh, it already smells good when I open it. If you guys want to reach me, the best bet is Instagram DMs. Okay, so this is what it looks like. First of all, I love how pretty this is. And second of all, this just smells so good. I hate to say it, I hate to see it, but I think I actually like this smell better than the Bath & Body Works Pure Wonder that I mentioned in my hygiene self-care video. Because this one is more, like it's more of a strong scent, but the Victoria's Secret one is way more fresh and like subtle smelling. So I definitely like this one better. I might just have to put it in the background of my video. There we go. So guys, that was all the stuff that I got this Black Friday, even though I got it on Saturday while the sales are still going. And comment down below what you guys got on Black Friday. Did you get an 80-inch TV? Did you get a Bluetooth speaker? Did you get AirPods? Did you go shopping on Cyber Monday? Did you get a 4K Fire TV stick? I really wanted to get that on Cyber Monday, and then I remembered to get it and it was already 2 a.m. and Cyber Monday was over. There's always next year. But thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.